Happy Friday, 4th graders. I hope you are having a great start to your day. We are going to be in our independent practice book, pages 90 and 91. Independent practice book, pages 90 and 91. This will be it. There will be no practice and problem solving pages today, just these 2 pages. When you are finished, you will go on iReady. When you are done with your 45 minutes of iReady, you can play iReady games or you can go on Prodigy. Hey, please be doing what you need to be doing on your computers. If you are found doing something you're not supposed to be, Mrs. Housen will let me know. Okay, so iReady, when you are done with 45 minutes on iReady, you will be working on iReady games or you can be on Prodigy. So let's get started on page 90. Celia and Jake bought 4 pizzas that cost $7 each and breadsticks that cost $3. They split the cost between them. Which equation could be used to find how much each paid? Let T stand for the total cost and E stand for the amount each paid. Hey, I talked about this a little bit yesterday. Let's cover this up. Okay, and let's just look at the problem. We're going to start with T. T is the total amount that it all costed. Okay, when I look at these numbers, how many pizzas were bought? Okay, 4 pizzas were bought. How much was each pizza? $7. Okay, what do we need to do to these numbers? Parentheses. Am I going to add 4 plus 7 or multiply? Okay, because they are 4 pizzas that are $7 each, I have 4 groups of 7, I'm going to multiply them. Okay, I want the number 7 4 times. And they both, Celia and Jake bought a breadstick that cost $3. I'm going to add that to the total amount. Okay, so far so good. This is the total amount. Here's what they spent on their pizzas. Here's what they spent on the breadsticks. We're going to take each for E, okay, and find out what we need to do. The total, okay, amount that they spent is T. Okay, this one looks a little silly. The total amount that they spent is T. Then they are going to split the cost, okay, between them. There are how many people? Celia, Jake, 2 people. If they are going to split the cost, are they going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? If you split it, we are going to divide. Which letter, A, B, C, or D, matches T equals 4 times 7 plus 3. E equals T divided by 2. Right away I know it's not A because that says that T is multiplied by 2. Number 1 is B, C, or D. Number 2. Ty bought 2 watermelons for $6 each and a cantaloupe for $4. He paid with a $20 bill. Which equation could be used to find how much change Ty received? Let T stand for the total cost and C stand for the change. So looking right away, covering this up, T equals, how much did he spend? Okay, how many watermelons? 2. How much were the watermelons? $6. Okay, parentheses, multiply 2 watermelons for $6 each. Okay, and a cantaloupe for $4. Looks very similar up here, just different numbers. Okay, 2 watermelons, $6 each, plus $4 for the cantaloupe. Now his change, hey, he took the total amount from his $20 bill. So if he paid with $20, hey, then we're going to take away the amount that he paid. This is the amount that he paid. If this doesn't make sense, please go back to when I start talking about number 2. Okay, we should be thinking about this. It should be starting to kind of click in a little bit, okay? Just kind of, this how the problems look, how we plug in the numbers. It will be A, B, C, or D. Okay, looking at it, is it A, B, C, or D? I'm going to give you a hint. Okay, it is not D because D says to add 2 and 6. We need to multiply 2 and 6. Number 3, Jane bought 3 magnets and 9 bookmarks at the craft fair. The magnets cost $5 each and the bookmarks cost $2 each. Which equation could you use to find out how much money M she spent? Circle the letters for all that apply. I am telling you there are 2 letters. You will circle 2 of these letters. Okay, 2 letters. When we look at this, okay, it is not E. It will be A, B, C, or D. It will be 2 of those 4. Starting it out, M is how much money that she spent. Equals, what are we going to do with these numbers? Okay, the numbers for the magnets can go here. The numbers for the bookmarks can go here. This is how I'm going to leave it. I want to see if you can fill in the rest. Numbers and a sign, numbers and a sign, then there needs to be a sign in between. Are we adding these 2 or are we multiplying these 2? Where do the magnets go? Make sure to reread this if you need to. Pause the video if you need to and work out number 3. 2 of these will be circled. When you are finished, we're going to go on to number 4. A farm stand sells strawberries in 1 pound, 2 pound, and 5 pound baskets. Use the information in the table below to write an equation for S, the number of pounds of strawberries sold. Right away it tells us S. S equals, hey, how many pounds per basket? 1 pound, how many baskets sold? 9. We could just write 9, or we can show that it's 1 times 9. That is the 1 pound basket. We are going to add the 5 2 pound baskets that were sold. So we're going to write 2 times 5. Good job. Then we're going to add the 7 5 pound baskets sold. So you are going to write that here. You don't need to write this line, but you need to write the numbers that show me how many baskets were sold of the 5 pound baskets. Okay, pretty quick. Number 5, gymnastics lessons cost $10 per session plus a one-time fee of $25. Sean went to 7 sessions. Write an equation that can be used to find out how much he paid. P equals, okay, how much is it per session? Okay, $10 per session. He went to 7 sessions. So we're going to have 10 times 7. Okay, it tells us right here, plus a one-time fee of $25. So what is that going to look like? Okay, here is where we want our parentheses of our $10 per the 7 sessions, and then we're going to add on plus that one-time fee of $25. Okay, down here, Landon bought 5 packs of baseball cards. Each pack has 8 cards. His brother, Mason, gave him 12 more cards. Then he, oh my goodness, sold 4 cards. Write an equation that can be used to find out how many baseball cards C, Landon has left. Okay, so 5 packs of baseball cards. Each pack has 8 cards. Please tell me that we know that this goes in the parentheses. Okay, 5 packs of baseball cards. Each pack has 8 cards. Adding or multiplying those 2 numbers together. Okay, then Mason gives Landon 12 more cards. If Mason gives them to him, we are going to add those 12 baseball cards. Now he sells cards. Okay, he's selling 4 cards. Are we adding those 4 cards? No. Okay, so then we need the sign that tells us that he sold 4 cards. Make sure that this is finished. We need to make sure that right here we jot down what shows Mrs. Sherva that Landon sold 4 cards. Good job. Raise your hand. Have Mrs. Housen come check your work. And then you can go on iReady until your 45 minutes are done. Or when you're done with your 45 minutes, you can go on Prodigy or iReady Games. Have a great day, you guys.